Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to study how we can pass parameter to a constructor. Okay guys, let's get started. First, let's first declare a class student. Let's say student. It contains two private data member, int marks and character type grade. It has a public type constructor, so we have to pass parameter to constructor. The name of student. So the name of our class and the name of our constructor must be same. We have to pass parameter to this constructor. So we will pass first int m for marks and second character type parameter, let's say g for grade. So we will pass two parameter to our constructor. Okay, let's initialize our data members here because constructor are used to initialize our data members. So marks is equal to m and our grade is equal to g. So here we have initialized our data member with these parameter values. So we have initialized our data member in our constructor. Constructors are used to initialize our data members. Okay guys, let's create another function to print these values, the value of marks and grade. Let's define another function here. Let's say void display function to display the values. So here we'll display the value out marks of student is marks. Similarly, we will display the grade. Grade of student is, so here we will display the grade of line. So we have created this function to display the values. Okay guys, now in our main function, let's call this function. So first of all, I have to create the object of my class, student class. So name of our class student, then the name of our object, let's say student s1, and here we also have to pass the two parameters. So first parameter is int marks. So here we will have to write the marks of the student, let's say 730 marks. And second parameter is character grade of student, let's say the grade of student is A. So I have passed two parameters. First is marks of integer type and second parameter is grade of character type. Now similarly we can show the card of any number of students. Let's say S2 for second student, and here we'll pass different values. Let's say 800 and the grade is A. Okay, now let's call our display function to display these values. So we will call this our display function. How we can call? Simply write the name of object of our class s1 dot display. Similarly, we can call our second function. Okay, let's show the user that we are displaying the record of student. Record of first student. We have displayed the record of first student. Let's display here record of second student. Next, our second object, that is s2 dot display. Okay guys, let's execute this program. So the record of student is, marks of student is 730 and grade of student is A. Record of second student is, marks of student is 800 and the grade of second student is also A. So guys, in this way we can pass parameter to our constructor. See, simply write the name of your class, then write the number of parameter you want to pass to your constructor, and initialize these parameters in the constructor body. And here I have created this display function to simply to show the values of these data members. So when we are creating the object of our class, so we have to pass two parameters, because here we have written int m for marks, character grade for g for grades. So first we have to pass marks here of student here, and second parameter is grade of student. So guys, in this way we can pass parameter to our constructors. Okay guys, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.